皆さんこんばんは、ハイディです。Hi everyone, I'm Hidee。今日のインターミディエットレッスンは、行ってきます、いってらっしゃい、ただいま、おかえりについて行いたいと思います。In today's intermediate lesson, what I would like to talk about is 行ってきます、いってらっしゃい、ただいまand おかえり。So, the phrase 行ってきます、いってらっしゃい、ただいま、おかえり symbolize the Japanese spirit so well that once you grasp the nuance of their meaning, you will have a deeper understanding of Japanese culture. Although the words are easily translated to English, the Japanese spirit behind them is somewhat lost in translation. So, let's start with 行ってきます and 行ってらっしゃい。So, if you are about to leave somewhere, mainly home or the house or the office, a Japanese will say 行ってきます to the remaining people. The closest literal translation is I'll go and I come back, but more natural translation would be see you later. And the people remaining inside the home or the office reply then 行ってらっしゃい。Literally, please go and come back. The phrase is also close to see you later, or have a good day, or take care. But none of those expressions truly express the spirit of behind the words. So let's see in some example. アイス買いに行ってきます。I'm going to buy some ice cream for us. ありがとう、いってらっしゃい。Oh, thanks. See you later. アイス買いに行ってきます。I'm going to buy some ice cream for us. ありがとう、いってらっしゃい。Thanks. See you later. And 行ってきます is not a simple goodbye and should not be employed as such. It implies that you will return to the place you were leaving. Hence the 行ってらっしゃい as a reply from the person waiting for you. But also there is no absolute rule. The most of the time, 行ってきます comes first. Okay, so let's move on to ただいま and おかえり. It's similar to the 行ってきます and 行ってらっしゃい. The two phrases that go hand in hand, ただいま and おかえり, express one's safe return. So let's see in example. ただいま、アイス買ってきたよ。I'm home. I bought us ice cream. おかえり、ありがとう。Welcome back. Thank you. ただいま、アイス買ってきたよ。I'm home. I bought us ice cream. おかえり、ありがとう。Welcome back. Thank you. So literally, ただいま means right now. However, in this specific context, the phrase is the shortened version of ただいま帰りました. which translate to I came home right now. And next, おかえり is, and おかえri's polite version is おかえりなさい. Welcome back or welcome home. So these two lovely phrases express the feelings of I'm back safely and you have finally returned and welcome back. It gives one a warm feeling that someone has been waiting for one's safe return. So that's all for today, and hope you all enjoyed my lesson. And if you have any questions, please leave some comments. And thank you all for watching, and see you next week. Bye!